So I'll just do an update on my Redpoll herd. So this is the little heifer we had in the last video. She's now, she's just turned 2 and she's due to calf in about a month. She ended up going to the Perth Royal Show and she won her class, and then she went on to win Reserve Junior Champion, and she also went to the Brunswick Show and won her class. I think there was about 8 in her class, and then she went on to win Reserve Junior Champion again. I'll just put a clip up of her at birth.
In addition to welcoming you all here in today's statuary, I would like to welcome today's judge.
So that there is the heifer's mother. She's since had another calf, which is this little heifer just here, and she's in calf again to the same bull as the heifer she just had. Here's a bull from a stud down the road, a really nice bull, and I'll try and put a picture up of him here. So you can see she shows a lot of the traits of him. Nice flat muscle, beautiful length. I think he won just about everything, or pretty much everything he ever went up in for judging. So she's in calf to him again. Then the little bull calf we had, he's been sold for breeding. And then this cow here is in calf again. I'm pretty sure, it's early days yet, to the same bull that this calf is from. And this is her calf, it's a little bull calf. And he's from a bull from 1985 or 1984. You can see he's solid, muscly little thing. And he's more the older style Redpoll. They're a bit shorter in the body, but lots of muscle and strength. So she's in calf about three months in calf. That cow there would be, or just not very long, far along in calf. And she's about 8 months in calf for her first calf. And because she was born in January of this year, 2015, she won't go to the Royal Show until next year, 2016. So we'll update you more then.